Here we have an old style and a new style Propane 1 receiver. The new style receiver is going to have an upgraded battery door design, but both receivers will be interchangeable. The old Propane 1 receiver is going to have two tabs that need to be pressed down simultaneously to release the battery door cover. Now moving on to the new style receiver, you'll see things have changed quite a bit. There's two tabs out here on the side. These will both need to be pressed all the way out. Now, which is going to release the battery tray. Now, rather than a door, we have to remove the entire tray to insert the new batteries. We always recommend using alkaline energizer batteries, as they're least likely to corrode and they will last longer than most batteries. Now that the batteries have been inserted into the tray, we can put the tray back in the receiver. You'll need to press down on the tray here while you slide the tabs back in place. We heard that beep, which means the receiver is getting power. Now we can hit the program button and our remote's ready to pair.